young people have got dreams, and it's up to us to encourage them to be the best that they can be.
I will need to know that they're going to live life and stand on their own too, and not fall.
Never forget where you're from. That's something that I think makes us as Māoris unique.
The nurturing of the plant is like nurturing of the child. So if you look after the ground and you prepare your kids right, they should become good people.
Do you feel my pain? Do you see reality? Rearrange your thoughts so you'll be proud of me. I just wanna live my life, my life.
Just wanna make you proud of me. Sooner or later we realize we don't know what we've got till it's gone. We don't know what we've got till it's gone.
I just wanna go, I just wanna leave everything behind for the summertime breeze. Time in the sunshine, that's what I need.